There's a 1987 Holden Berliner that I painted about, I don't know, 5 years ago. And it's been sitting under a sheet ever since outside, so we're trying to get it back to something decent before we can repaint it. So I've just steam cleaned it, cleaned all the interior because it was getting a bit mouldy in there. But it isn't looking too bad.
I love the chase and the hunt, and I set the pace when I'm running. I always take what I want and I always give it 100. Don't need a bank, no I'm funded. Play the game like it's nothing. I'm always thankful for something. Don't take for granted, stay humble. Now wake up! It's time to look at the enemy. Look in the mirror if he is no friend to me. It's not working out, maybe it's